First step, mix EVA L and its material by vertical mixer. First we need to clean the mixer before put material. The material have large and small size. We mix it by the percentage required. Then we close the cover, turn on the machine to start mixing. After material mixing ready, machine will stop, then we start install material into bags. Now material is ready for producing. And now we are coming to the slippers producing workshop. This is the material tank. We put the ready material into this tank. Then the material will suck into machine hopper. This is the machine sucking machine. And it goes through sucking machine to inject hopper. Then finally go into injector to heat and injecting to mold. When material inject into mold, it needs some time for heating and forming. When heating time is reached, the window will open. Now workers take out the slippers and use silicone water to clean mold. And it will be ready for next cycle of producing. When the slippers take out from the machine, it will be put into this oven to keep shape and length. This is packing line. Now the next step will clean the flash of slippers, doing quality checking and finally packing. This factory put the silicone water in top. 1 tank can supply